Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning, welcome to WEITV. For those of you that were not able to watch WEITV last week, my name is Sid, and I will be bringing the current events in the Hill Country area. So today there will be a Central Texas Environmental Summit at the Schertz Civic Center. It's regarding issues around the Austin, San Antonio I-35 corridor. And then also there's a webinar that will be held December 18th. It's about feral hogs, the current and future research about feral hogs. And that's all that we have this week. So now we have Dave.
Thank you, Sid, for that update. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather pattern. Well, the topic of today's weather discussion is more rain. Finally, again, we're getting it. Okay, so what's the pattern looking like? We've been dry and cold this past week. Low temperatures in the 20s, some very strong frost and freezes over the area. But the rain is returning, and due to an upper level pattern that is favorable. What do I mean by favorable? Well, we're going to have weak disturbances crossing over Texas today, mainly Friday, and into the early portion of Saturday, and then again Saturday night into early Sunday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details. Well, what that means is there's going to be a cold front that's going to slowly drag across the Texas Hill Country today and into tonight. And it's going to stall out in the southern part of the Hill Country. Not exactly for sure where that's going to happen, but it's going to stall out, and that's going to lead to rainfall chances. So, how much rainfall are we looking at? Well, across the eastern half of the Hill Country, I'm thinking along the lines of a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, again the eastern half, and then lower amounts in the western half. There is one model out there that's suggesting lower amounts across the whole part of the Texas Hill Country, but I'm going to be positive. I'm going to look for the higher rainfall amounts. And so this is mainly Friday time frame when this rainfall is going to occur. Friday day, Friday night, into early Saturday. Some showers and thunderstorms are possible with the rainfall. So that means temperatures on Friday are going to be in the 60s, coolish and moist. And then the front does go through, but it doesn't really clear the area out that much. And so we possibly have a return area of showers and thunderstorms Saturday night, but I think that's going to be far eastern Hill Country. Okay, Saturday night time frame, but mainly cloudy Saturday night across a good portion of the eastern part of the Hill Country. And the temperatures on Saturday get up towards the 70s. And then on Sunday we finally get a push of cooler air from the north and pulling this front farther south and clearing us out Sunday time frame. And that's when the cooler air mass comes in. But it doesn't really change our air temperatures during the daytime all that much, still 60s for the most part. Low temperatures though do dive back down into the 30s. And that's going to be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday time frames. So mainly dry for the good portion of next week. Hopefully we'll get this rain. Thank you for tuning in. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff. We will see you next week.
Weatherman, don't tell me lies, I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do. You look at clouds and watch them